Hi, this is Gigi. Today we are going to cook together. I love cooking, and my husband loves cooking, and we all family love good food. And we are very happy you're in our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hello. Today we are going to cook the most delicious and easiest side dish or main dish, whatever you call, green beans. So I bought this trimmed green beans. I have two package of it. I use them both. So today's ingredients, we have olive oil. Any olive oil is good. And we have some fresh tomatoes. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, tomato paste or canned tomatoes are fine too. One medium and one little smaller than medium onion, and two package of, it's a trimmed but not too much, French green beans. Let's cook. I'm gonna cut my onions in half moon like that. Not too thin, not too thick, like this. Because I actually like to see and taste my onions. I love onions and garlic. I wasn't like that when I was a teenager, but now I know better. So this dish is very easy. Okay, this is a 1/3 cup. I'm going to use olive oil. I normally don't measure my oil, but I'm doing it for people who wants to know. Put it all over the bottom of your pan. Put your onions in it. Alright, we're gonna cook our onions like 5 to 7 minutes until they get soft. Put the lid on. Meanwhile, I'm going to check my beans, green beans. They are mostly trimmed, but if they are not trimmed, you can trim with your knife, or you can just basically just pull it like this. Onions will cook like 5 to 10 minutes until they get soft and you start to smell them. Did you guys like my nails? I made them myself. I'm not that crafty on beauty things, but sometimes I do my nails, I dye my own hair. You like them? I can take the nail polishes down below for you if you want them. They are not sponsored. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes into the small cubes. Like I said, if you can peel them, peel them. If you can't, you don't have to. The peels have so much nutrition on them also. So I'm cutting them like this kind of small pieces. These tomatoes are gorgeous. Do you guys like heirloom tomatoes? When we find them, we buy them. They don't look perfect, but they taste so good. Let me taste it. Tastes great. The more the tomato, the merrier the beans. It is vegetarian, it is keto, it is low carb, it is delicious. Even my kid loves it. If a kid loves vegetables, that's, that's how I know I'm on the right track. So nice good 3 tomatoes. Beautiful tomatoes. Put some salt to my onions. Use your salt as your taste. There we go. And next goes green beans. See, I cut one. A little bit more salt for your green beans. Ta-da. Put it at the medium heat. No water, no nothing. Close the lid. Medium low. Cook like 10 minutes and then come and put your tomatoes in it. It have been cooking like 5 minutes. Stir them. Beautiful heirloom tomatoes. All the juice, don't waste any juice, anything. Stir it very well. Hey guys, it's so simple, just like this. And it's gonna be so amazing. So you just drizzle more olive oil on it. You can eat this warm or cold. Summer days, my parents used to make this kind of dishes. They call them Zeytinyagli olive oil dishes. You can cook them because there's no meat in it. You can eat them cold too. A little bit more salt. Close it. Put it in medium low. Don't go too far. Come and check your food. Let's check it. Just like we talked about, even though we didn't put any water in it, it's still juicy. It has been cooking like almost 20 minutes now. How do you like your beans? I like mine a little crunchy. Do you like them cooked very well or a little crunchy? Take one and taste. Almost there. It needs a little bit more salt. It's good to taste. I'm gonna add more salt. Like I always do, take my hand first, sprinkle all around, and stir it. Don't leave the lid open too long. You don't want to lose your juice. Keep checking and be around always when you're cooking. It's a magic food. You don't have to put any water in it. It cooks by its own juice. Here we go. The green beans are cooked. You can eat as a main dish or side dish. It's keto, it's low carb, it's vegetarian, it's yummy. Bon appetit!